Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we're going to show you how to enable or disable the on-screen keyboard on Windows 10. There are a few methods to do this, so let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type in OSK. So this is the best result. Left click on it. You can use it and type whatever you like. Now, there is another method to enable the on-screen keyboard, especially if you want to use it permanently. Go back to the search bar and type in Settings. Left click on Settings. On the Settings window, find and click on Ease of Access. This one. On the left pane, search for keyboard and click on it. Under, use the on-screen keyboard, turn this on. And the keyboard should appear in a few moments. You just need to minimize the keyboard and it will appear here. So even if you turn off your computer and turn it back on, the on-screen keyboard will still appear. However, if you click on this, the close button, then it will disable the on-screen keyboard. You will need to go to Settings again to enable it. So, as you can see here, it is toggled off. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.